And just like that, guys, in under 2 minutes, I have this entire setup, and I can say something like, give me the SERP for Manor House Wedding with the locale set to Ireland, and it will run Bright Data Scraper Studio with the skill, the free skill that I'm going to give you today. And not only that, but Bright Data have been kind enough to give anyone that uses my link in the description and in the pinned comment $25 of free credit. Watch this. So you can see here all of the different results put into a JSON file, which then you can either give that to your AI, or for example, you can continue cooking something up. This is absolutely crazy, guys. This is one use case. I'm going to go through a few use cases today. Let's jump into things. So first of all, guys, there's a link in the description and in the pinned comment, which again gives you $25 of credit. This is their new system that they have created. So make sure you sign up with my link. Huge shout out to Bright Data for sponsoring this video. Okay, so I actually decided to create a skill for this. This is the Bright Data Scraper Studio skill. You can get this in the description and also in the pinned comment as well. Make sure to use my link, guys, if you do end up using this. Like I said, they're giving $25 of credit away, so you may as well use it. Now, there's a very easy one-click install for this skill, so I'll just show you that right now. Okay, so we're inside a new folder that's just called Bright Data Video, because this is the video I'm making. I'm just going to say hi to it. Okay, so you can see here at the top, so this is Claude Code, just so you know, I'm using this inside Claude Code. I'm just going to paste all of this. Now you can see mine says that it's not an empty directory. Yours won't say this, obviously. I already have it installed, that's why it's saying that. So what does this do? This basically gives all of the power of Bright Data Scraper Studio inside Claude Code, which is absolutely crazy. So I'm just going to say load the Bright Data skills, right? So we've done a GitHub clone, and now we're going to load Bright Data Scraper Studio skill. And basically what that does is it gives you this entire powerful tool set. Now you might know that Claude Code is kind of limited when it comes to web scraping. So this is like giving it absolute superpowers, right? Now I'm already logged in here, but basically you would say now log me, I'm going to say now log me out of Bright Data so that I can log in, right? So you can see here, logged out, credentials are cleared. Obviously you wouldn't have to do that yourselves. Now I'm going to say now log me in. And basically what that does is it runs a login for the Bright Data CLI. I'm now logged into the Bright Data Scraper Studio, and I have this full set of tools. So what I can do is I can say, give me the full tool set so I can understand what I can do with this. Okay, so you can kind of get an idea of what this can be used for here. So you can scrape Web Unlocker one page, bdata scrape, news, ycombinator.com, right? Search, SERP API, which in my opinion is the most powerful thing about this. Having SERP with locale is super, super strong. Discover AI intent search, right? So this obviously shows you what LLMs are showing. Pipelines as well, which is obviously their own pipelines. And then Scraper Studio, which is kind of the main thing, which is where you can build your own pipeline, which is also self-healing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would use this, for example, within Harbor, which is my content generator, which I actually use Bright Data inside Harbor. I don't use the thing I'm showing you today, but I use Harbor to bypass Cloudflare. Sorry, I use Bright Data inside Harbor today to bypass Cloudflare because I was having an issue with Cloudflare websites, and Bright Data also can get past that, right? Now, the cost is about $1.50 for 1,000 page loads, which is super, super nice. So let's say I want you to create a pipeline that can get all of the product information from a collection page on Shopify, like the example below. So I'm going to paste that. Now, what this should do is it should do a Bright Data create, which should create a discovery, a listing slash category, and then that basically gets every item on that listing. So let's see how this works now. Okay, so just so you guys know, this took me probably, I would say, I'm going to say 3 days to make this in Harbor, right? So the idea is you find collections that make sense for a blog post, but then you have to scrape each individual product page as well. You can't just scrape the collection page because the information about the product is inside the product page, right? So this is exactly what Bright Data is attempting to solve with this. Okay, so now this is building a live scraping thing using Claude Code, which means that from now on, I will have a way to scrape these pages repeatedly. Like I said before, this took me 2 to 3 days to do in Harbor. The original Harbor build probably took me a week to 2 weeks to make this build. So if it can do this in a very short amount of time, that is incredibly impressive, I have to say. Plus, it's super cheap. You have $25 if you sign up with my link in the pinned comment and in the description, which means you get thousands of page loads completely for free. Now, this is literally just one use case for this system. Just having it in the CLI makes Claude Code much more powerful as well. Like I was showing at the beginning of this video, being able to use this to look at SERPs is also very, very interesting. I would argue it's more interesting, to be honest with you, being able to do like Claude Code assisted SERP scrapes is incredibly powerful, right? So we want to rank for this keyword, manor house wedding, right? And you can actually look what is ranking currently, and you could say like, do some further research into this, or like, how can I rank for this page? What page am I missing? It has local pack as well, which is super, super interesting, guys, I have to say. And honestly, this is a game changer because you can start to do some really, really interesting things with this. And I'll probably be doing a lot more videos about this system because it's like the next level of SEO for sure. Okay, so this is really interesting. What happened was it completely built the system and then it found some defects and now it's going to improve the system. This is something, honestly, guys, for someone who has built these kind of scrapers before manually, this is a huge, huge upgrade. So you can see here, it says, let me heal the scraper onto that source. So it's going to finally give us exactly what we need. Okay, so like I said, guys, this kind of thing took me absolutely ages to create using loads of different systems. I tried everything. The fact that you can do this so quickly and so simply now is so, so impressive, right? So shout out to Bright Data. First of all, thank you for sponsoring the video. Second of all, you made an amazing tool that just really, really makes it simple to do something that honestly has been incredibly complicated for me personally to figure out. So I hope this video helps you guys. I hope this changes a lot of people's perspectives. I've got a lot more content coming on this, not because they're sponsoring loads of videos. They're only sponsoring one video a month, but genuinely, I think this gives Claude Code superpowers because it increases its ability to scrape, but not just scrape, but actually scrape usefully, right? I'll talk about that more in another video, but basically, Claude Code on its own does not scrape very well. So giving it Bright Data and also Bright Data's new Scraper Studio just gives it that little bit extra superpowers. With all that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Bright Data sponsoring the video. If you are watching other ways than the video and absolute legend, go and check out Bright Data. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. And I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.